Before entering the Class B cleanroom for work, staff need to verify the cleanroom suit status and personnel authorization. Step 1. Verify the cleanroom suit cleaning and sterilization status. Staff should raise their arm and bring the chip on the cleanroom suit close to the sensing area. Attention, the body must not touch the access control machine. After the access control machine reads the chip, it verifies the cleaning and sterilization status of the cleanroom suit and ensures the suit's validity period. Upon successful verification, the system will prompt the staff to verify their iris information. 2. Verify iris information. Staff should align both eyes with the prompt box. Authorized personnel will be successfully verified. Personnel information will appear on the display screen. The door will then automatically open, and the staff can enter the Grade B cleanroom area.